Hi guys, this is Vaish. Some updates from the UPSC ministry and department. April 15th, a press release was there in which some updates were there, and same thing has been reiterated in on April 17th today. In DD News, there was an interview, so I'll tell you all those things and some other extra things, obviously, because a video should contain something which is useful for you other than just news updates. So, first thing is because 2021 students are coming in huge numbers, it's the time for them to decide where should I go, what should I do. Okay, and even 2020 students who did maybe some mistakes which they regret now and they don't know what to do. Okay, if they have to give a next attempt, or if now like the last 3 months whether anything can be done to fix it. So how to rate an institute? For that you should know how actually institutes works. Okay, I'll show you that in the next slide. So the topics for today in this video is how to rate an institute, corona news updates, snippet cards, samples, students confusion and drama. You will know what is drama when I come to that slide. Exam news updates, test series, and UPSC 2021, what is going to happen in YCS. Before that, I would like to thank everyone who gave excellent feedback for the last few videos, last 2 3 videos, because YCS channel usually get huge amount of appreciations personally in WhatsApp and email and Facebook comments or elsewhere, but YouTube public comments were lesser. So now students have started realizing the worth of it because they have seen excellent results what we gave in the last 2 3 years in exam prelims and mains. And the video quality just improves. Okay, it doesn't give you any junk videos, it will not charge you even a single rupee. So all you need to do is just come and subscribe and enjoy these sessions. Okay, whether it's lectures or the guidance videos. Again, I'm telling you, people come, and there are some students who come and click it only if they're looking for something. Like, I need history, come and search history. It's not there, I will watch. If it's not there, I don't care about that channel. But even if you like the history videos of that particular channel or quality lectures of that channel, you don't take that extra effort to go and click on their playlist and see what else are they offering. Okay, like for example, YCS, if you come and see, the spectrum lectures will have over 1 lakh views. Okay, every subject, every chapter will have 1 lakh plus views. Okay, and only 40,000 subscribers are there. That shows the usual mindset of students. I need everything for free, but I will not repay you even by clicking on the subscribe button. So at least now when we are launching the new channel for a much bigger plan, come and cooperate by just clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, again, the students who watched spectrum lectures, instead of going away immediately after the lecture, go and check in their playlist whether they have any other lecture. Like YCIS has class 6 to 10 NCRT history geography lectures. They have polity lectures. First 3 chapters we did, and because of no subscriber count and no much appreciation, we stopped it. We could have done all the how many 70 71 chapters of Lakshmikant. We could have done it, and you know that YCIS does it the best in the country. Okay, you take any of our lectures, it's the best in the country. Okay, you even like tomorrow if you go and search spectrum lectures modern history, don't type the word Vaishayas, just type spectrum lectures modern history. Vaishayas playlist will come on top in the YouTube search history. Okay, because that is how big it is. The same way, polity, we had the plans, we were doing everything for you slide by slide. We took a lot of effort to make each thing. Okay, because polity is much difficult to make than history. It's not stories. Okay, it's factual, it's a lot of fact, and a lot of questions come in the exam. We stopped at 3 chapters because you did not cooperate. So if you want, you don't want that to happen again, come and subscribe. Okay, 2000 people, this is the trend again, 2000 people are watching the video, 530 people are subscribing. So we cannot proceed without your cooperation. Please come and subscribe. Okay, take this seriously, else this free things which you're going to get will stop. Okay, I'm seriously telling you, it will stop, and we will continue only with the paid test series with which we can sustain. Okay, we don't want that. We want students to get all the free benefits. Now, how to rate an institute? The first thing, for that, you should know the stages of UPSC: prelims, mains, and interview, and what is the count. Like now, along with you, 10 lakh people might be sitting somewhere in the country and thinking about UPSC or preparing for UPSC, but only 5 lakh people will write the prelims. Out of that 5 lakh, only 9,500 will clear the prelims. Rest everyone will fail. 99.999% students will fail prelims. Now, coaching institute, is there any coaching institute in this country where they tell like these many students of us cleared prelims, or these many questions from our test series which we gave for prelims, meaning before the prelims date? I'm telling, like June is the prelims, before June did we give you? If these two things are done by them, then that's a good institute where you can trust, you can do a little more research and then go and join. Okay, don't mind whatever fees they charge. That's how you do the institute joining. Okay, why I'm telling you this is because every year coaching institutes put out photographs. Okay, rank 1 our student, rank 7 our student, rank 15 our student, rank 435 our student. Okay, first thing you should understand that there will be only 1000 ranks maximum, 995 ranks, and these students are the people who, like for example now 2019 UPS interview is going to happen. How many people will take the interview? Close to 2000 people only will take the interview, only 2000. Out of the 2000, 1000 will come in the final list. So 50% success rate. Okay, but it's not like prelims where 5 lakh people write and only 9000. So coaching institutes is much more easier to capture those students. So if you see, prelims means whatever they do, students whatever those source they learn, it doesn't matter. After means, because there are only 2000 people every year, and because there are only 4-5 branded institutes in this country, and they will have obviously contact with XIS officers, judges and all, whatever needed, whatever they need to set up a panel, they will set up a panel. They'll give excellent mock interviews. I'm not blaming the thing which they do excellent mock interview sessions. Okay, it is good. Everyone who clears prelims and mains should go and take a mock interview from a reputed institution. It will do you good. And these are the photographs which they use for next year's advertisement, because there is a high chance that they will clear. 50% of students will clear. Only the brightest students will be worried and they'll go and take this mock interview. So that student did not clear prelims or mains, or may not have cleared prelims or mains from that institute's materials. So you join one institute now, don't think about interview now. Join any institute which tells you the number of questions solvable from their materials, their test series, what they give for you before June. Nothing after June. Before June, whatever they give you, decide that. Okay. So there are few institutes in this country which do that. Vaishya IAS is one among them. We don't claim that we are the only one who do that. Okay. So we compile this Vice versus UPSC videos every year and put out for you. And what will it happen? It will have screenshots from UPSC question paper and Vaishya IAS test question paper with exact question number, like history, test number 3, page number this thing, MCQ number this thing. With highlighted screenshot, we will tell you this is the exact statement which came in your UPSC exam. Is this what you're looking for? If you are a serious aspirant, I'm sure this is what you're looking for. So come and join either Vaishya IAS or any other institutes. I never tell come and join Vaishya IAS alone. Join any institute in this country and every institute in this country who are giving you affordable materials with proof of success. And again, I'm telling you, success is not about that final photograph which comes out of interview. That's a different story, as I told you. It's about the prelims result, where 99.9% of students are going to be eliminated. If you don't clear prelims, then what is the point of that photographs which they show? Okay, an institute should be able to take their students to that level where they can make them write mains. Okay, so these kind of proof videos you can search Vaishya's UPA 2018, 19, everything about Vaishya is alone. But again, search in general. Okay, most effective test series, something like that. Use keywords and see the date which they uploaded. Okay, like ours last year when prelims got over, I analyzed the paper and immediately I uploaded with proof. Any student of Vaishya IAS can open the test and verify that with MCQ number. So this is how you rate or decide the coaching institute to join. Don't decide based on interview result, decide based on prelims results. Okay, that will do you better results in the long run. Now we'll go to more things, but before that, snippet cards. Vaishya IAS in their package gives you 63 tests. I'm telling 2020 package. 63 tests, 6300 MCQ, 100% coverage of UPSC prelims, guaranteed coverage of everything, much more than any institute in this country. That is my personal guarantee, because I am designing everything. Every single MCQ or paper material you get is designed by me. Okay, even now I'm working on the final few tests of the batch. Okay, out of 63 tests, 50 tests are delivered to all students and remaining 13 tests are going on. Okay, 13 tests is nothing. It's like 10 full tests. That is, full means everything. It will look like actually your prelims paper. Like that 10 test, that is 1000 MCQ, and 3 more is the March, April, May current affair. Okay, obviously May current affair I cannot make it now. I have to wait for it. April is going on and March is in preparation phase. So March, April, May, 3 current affair, 10 sets of full test and 1 economic survey which is in progress. This 14 test I think is pending, which I have to give to the students, and I'm working on it. You will get it much before May 15th. I will give you everything. Okay, because we are closing May 15th. Okay, the batch 2020 batch, we are closing it on May 15th, and we will be launching May 2020. Sorry, we will be launching 2021 batch. Details I'll tell you in the upcoming videos. So in the same test series, there's something called revision chart, which students wanted to know what it is, and I gave you a lot of samples in the last video. Okay, In the description box, link is there, or go to our channel and the immediate previous video, click on that 2015-16 analysis and all those videos. I have shown you revision charts. Snippet card is again something which we did last year, and it had huge effect in the prelims. Many questions were solvable from snippet cards, but snippet cards is something which is designed for by-hearting and last-minute glancing before the prelims. Meaning, 2 days before the prelims, like you have studied everything is done. Like suppose May 27, May 28 or something. You take the snippet cards and revision chart and simply glance through. Or even on the prelims day, when you are waiting outside the exam hall, instead of staring here and there, just take our snippet cards. Even in your mobile phone, you can take it 50 cards, just glance it, swipe it, and glance it and by heart it. Many questions will be solvable just from that glance. Okay, I guarantee you that, because last year also it happened. So I'll show you some types of snippet cards, how it will look like. First are the very simple ones, okay, where you need just 10 seconds to see what it is. Like there are different bodies, FATF or any World Bank or any body which is asked in UPSC at least 2-3 times. Okay, these are all things which are asked in UPSC. We don't put any junk in snippet cards. So what they asked, that same thing, to avoid confusion, we give you in the form of pictograph or numbers. Okay, so here if you see 37 G7 89 FATF, it means 37 members. G7 initiated it, and 89 it started in 1989. This is simply to glance. It will not teach you what is FATF, their blacklisting, their grey listing, the recent current affair. Those things will be there in your economics test, in your international relation test, in your current affair. Everything is we teach you. This is just for that morning, simply to by heart. If you forgot these numbers, because UPSC has this habit, they will tell a statement like FATF was initiated by G20. If you don't remember that, but you glanced that morning, you will know it is not G20. One statement gone. So this the simplest type of snippet card, type 1. Okay, this is one sample. Another sample is this one, ECOSOC 6543. Okay, 6 means it is one of the 6 UN organs. Okay, UPSC has this habit, like it is like one body. They will ask whether it's a specialized agency of the UN, it is an organ of the UN, it is sponsored by the UN, or it is in UN treaty decided the formation of this body. Okay, so that kind of things there. So here 6, if it mentions 6 is like it is an organ, 54 members are there, and 3 years term, because last year also UPSC asked one UNFC something there was there and told like every UN member is a part of it. But here ECOSOC only 54 members are there. So like that, the very minutest things which may come in prelims, it has come in. Okay, this thing has been asked in prelims, that is why this is there, and for a 3-year term. So this is 2 simple type 1 snippet card. Now type 2, little more detailed, where words and pictures will be there. So here if you see the soil health card, even if you want to write a mains answer, this snippet card will give you enough data for that. This is only the points picked up which can be asked in prelims. Okay, like when it is who prints it and for what duration it is printed, what is containing, the color coding of it, the minerals which it is there, then soil testing program, which state is there, who got the award recently. These are all things which were recent and which is needed to answer a prelims question. More than this, UPSC cannot form a sentence. Okay, and again I'm telling you, the soil health card is covered in detail already in your geography test or environment test. Okay, or maybe schemes test, it will be there. This is just for your last minute glancing, so that in the exam hall it will help you recollect it. Okay, like we cannot give you everything, only 50 snippet cards are designed. 15 snippet cards of the best things which we felt have a high chance of coming in prelims. Okay, type 2, one more thing. If you see the sustainable development goals, students ask like there are 17 of them, how will I by heart them? So YCIS gives you tricks every now and then. This is one way of memorizing it. You can pause it and see, or if you are enrolled, you will have it with you. You can go and check it. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, it's similar thing, kind of similar: poverty, hunger, health, and education. Okay, group it together. You will remember 1, 2, 3, 4 is this thing. See 5 and 10 is about inequalities. Okay, gender equality and reducing inequality. 5 and 10. It's like easy to remember. 6, 7, 11, 12, 13. If you see here, all starts with C. Clean water and sanitation, clean energy, cities and communities, consumption, production, climate action. Okay, so 6, 7, 13, 11, 12. Okay, SDG 16 and 17. If you see, peace, justice, and partnership. 14 and 15, life below water, life on land. These are all needed for your mains exam. Okay, a paper, mains exam paper, UPSC, if you are correcting a student's paper, 2 students' paper, one person has written like this scheme will also help achieve UN's 14.2, Sustainable Development Goal 14.2. That answer has much more value than any other student who does not mention these facts. Okay, always you have to be on fact which is there in international news. That will add value to your answers. So this is one way of one example of how UPSIS teaches you to by heart the biggest of biggest things. Okay, like this everything OPEC member countries or East Asia Summit member countries. They are all having 17, 18 members of G20 countries, which are the 20 countries. You cannot by heart it, or nobody will teach you how to by heart it. Okay, but it's all essential as per the trend of UPSC questions. It is being asked. Okay, so this is type 2. Type 3, pictures, just pictures. Okay, so these are all taken from geography textbooks only. So like this glacial depositional features, like this picture alone will tell you a lot of things. These are asked also. Okay, what are the depositional features, what are the erosional features? It's asked by UPSC, I think 2-3 years back. This is type 3. Now type 4, see this, previous year papers history. All these lines which you see have been asked in UPSC prelims. Okay, 1998, sorry, 1995 to 2019, I have analyzed every paper, and whatever I think I missed in my test or revision chart or whatever, if it's important for prelims, there is a high chance of it getting repeated. I have put it like this. Okay, you pause and see anything, everything you take and Google, it will be a prelims question, and there's a high chance it will be repeated again. Last year it was repeated actually. Okay, the contemporary question about Kabir and someone, I think Sir Hindi or some Sufi saint, someone, it was mentioned in like this. Okay, one of the slides, one of the snippet cards. This is snippet card 48. Okay, previous year paper history. Like this, I think for economics also we have, polity also we have. Everything are keywords which you simply need actually 10 minutes. 10 minutes on the day of exam morning, take it and read it. Questions will come. Okay. Type 5. This is actually revision charts when we locked the count, like okay, we will not make more than this, that we converted into snippet cards. Okay, so this is actually a revision chart of ICIS, but it is given in the form of card. Okay, so here anything related to diary scheme, it is there in the screenshot. You don't have to study anything from outside. The explanation will be there in our test series. Again, I'm telling you, geography test it will be there, but this is for pure by hearting on that day morning. Okay, so this is 5 types of snippet cards. 50 snippet cards like this every student will get. Full package enrollment will get it for free of cost, or if you want to buy separately, there is a separate pack for revision chart and snippet card. Okay, now corona news update. Students are not students, everyone, morning they have this now life mission to inform everybody like how many lakhs of people got infected. I don't know what difference it will make to the planet, but students and people with WhatsApp are now busy or totally engaged with this thing. Please don't do it. Okay, this slide which I'm telling you, if you don't like to what you like what you're hearing, just ignore it. But that's a personal advice I'm telling you. Last 3 months, March, April, May, the students who are not serious about UPSC preparation will not clear UPSC prelims. If you are wasting your time on unwanted all these masala news items and corona update, WhatsApp forwards, fake news spreading, or anything which you get as per your ideology, spreading it here and there, you will not clear prelims. Okay, take it from me. This is something which is very serious, because even I get updates. Okay, students or relatives, everyone have this habit of sending. Like today, 1,36,439th person got infected. From Italy, 76 people got this thing. He was transferred. From Cuba, 15 doctors went there. Who cares about the numbers? You don't have to play with these numbers. If anything is important, you should know it. I agree. You should know it if it's important. If any vaccine is found out for this, or if like in your locality some serious spread happened and people are dying or something, you should know such things. But that will come to you automatically. You don't have to sit and read every unwanted masala news item or be glued to your TV and waste your time hours and hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours sitting in front of TV and doing this. Don't do it. Even apps are there now. Government app is also there. Please download it. It's helpful. Arogya Setu. You don't have to post the screenshot everywhere and then spread around like 2 kilometers away there is a patient, 7 kilometers away there is a patient. People have their apps. They will do it themselves. You don't waste your time doing all these things. Okay. If it is something important, like that is why we people are here. Okay, we as mentors or your district collectors, your chief ministers, your prime minister, they will do things which is needed. They will inform you through official channels. That time listen to that alone. Okay, like today again this video which I made, why did I make it today midnight? Now I'm recording because the same update was given in the April 15th and 17th ministry update, and I wanted you to know, because everybody will not go and watch DD News or Rajya Sabha TV or read the PIB. They won't do it. But me as a mentor, I have this responsibility towards you and I have to inform you. So that is why this video is being recorded. So like that you will come to know if something is important. If you are registered with the proper channel, like you are connected with me, you will know. You are connected with some other institute, you will know. Any mentor. Okay. So don't do this. Don't waste your time on corona news updates. Students' confusion and drama. So 2019 interview, students studied one full year. They are just one step away from that dream. Okay, like the same dream which you have, they have now cleared 2 steps and they are reach the interview phase, where they have to travel and go to Delhi and give the interview. So it is understood that they will be tensed. Okay, they will be confused because they have to book the tickets, they have to go, and because UPSC also knows this. Okay, and UPSC will plan accordingly. They, if needed to change, they will change. They've already changed it 2 times. They changed because of the lockdown, and now again they will change it after May 3. So this is the 2019 students. I can understand that you are confused. You have to travel to Delhi. 2020 students. Yesterday I got a student message. Sir, my exam preparation is getting affected. 2020 prelims is getting affected. What if 2020 prelims get postponed? All my plans will get flopped. I did not understand what that query is. Okay, UPSC, if change is going to happen, it is going to happen only a good change. It is going to get postponed, not preponed. Okay, you have filled this form, application form of prelims before May 3. That is much before the number of cases came up in India, or much before the lockdown, or even the one-day Janata curfew. Much before that, you applied for this and you were ready for May 31 prelims. Okay, now what is the problem if it is postponed to 15 days or 31 days or 1 month? What will happen to you? It is going to give you additional 30 days, right? So please don't, like, morning is, because I get it every day almost now. Please don't come and ask what about prelims, what will get postponed, will it happen, will it not happen? Why are you worrying so much? You were ready for May 31. Sit and study and complete your this thing, because a person who is preparing for 2020, ideally by May 1 or May 10th or May 15th maximum, they would have completed all their studies. Okay, after May 15th they will just revise if you are a serious aspirant. Else, if you are people who are going to study Lakshmikant textbook for the first time after May 30, you don't write this exam. I'm seriously telling you, don't write this exam. Okay, because without basic books and basic preparation, this exam's not, you cannot clear it. It's not a lucky draw kind of thing where you will do some 6 months of material by hearting and you go. It's not like that. This needs a person who have done every research about this exam. Okay, so please don't do this drama which I called. Okay, especially referring to those students alone, so everybody don't get offended. Okay, serious aspirants, I am here for any help you need, but people who do this unwanted drama, okay, as if the prelims is going to get preponed, please don't do it. It's an advice to you, please don't do it. Okay, there is no confusion about it. If it's getting postponed, you will get an extra day. One problem I sensed is like coaching classes have shut down, so you cannot go to coaching. That is understandable, but again, these people are giving you video series to watch from home, so it's more comfortable for you now. You don't have to go to the classes. You simply sit at home and watch it 2 hours, 5 years, 6 hours. Everybody will have Wi-Fi now. Everybody will have at least a Jio SIM now. Watch, Wi-Fi unlimited is there. Sit and watch the videos. If there are some personal technical issues there, then it is understandable a little bit, but that also no need to have so much chaos creation for that. Okay, still there are any issues, let me know about this. Okay, what is causing your confusion? Why are you worried about it? Okay, because I don't see much things to worry if it's getting postponed. Okay, now this is the press release, PIB document, April 15 2020. Special meeting of the commission was held on April 15 2020. So here, if you see, I'll highlight it for you. Prevailing lockdown restrictions, 2019 personal test will be taken after May 3/20. Okay, decision will be taken after this thing lockdown. Same for prelims and all the other exams. As of now, because it is announced, okay, already been announced, there is no change as of now. Any rescheduling, if necessitated after lockdown, again if cases are more or travel is not possible. Okay, again for 2020 prelims, you don't have to like travel. Everyone don't need to go to Delhi. Everyone will be either in their hometown, or maybe there are some who need to travel, so it is understandable. So it can get postponed. The decision will be made after May 3. Okay, if necessitated alone. So because May 3, May 31, there is a 28-day gap. If things are good, they can still continue to do it on May 31 itself. Only problem is, maybe it will for the first time in history, without having the 2019 interview, they went for the 2020 prelims. Okay, that has never happened till now. So that is the only bad thing which can happen. But prelims can happen on the same day if things are good. If lockdown proves to be like successful and some miracle happens, everything goes away, prelims will happen on May 31. Okay, this is the press release. Okay, and again they updated about their salary cut or something which UPSC members will take up voluntary for more financial resources for the government. That is the update of PIB on April 15th. Now today on April 17th, DD News, I'll put the link in the description box, 28-minute video. Here if you see 24th minute, it's actually 23rd minute. Okay, watch from 23 to 25, 2 minutes. This 2 minutes he was telling again, it is understandable that we cannot postpone the exam, we cannot conduct the exam now, so it should be postponed, and it will be postponed, but now it will be as of the announced date itself, same like the PIB thing, but he, because the minister's words is more important, he has told this. So he told like May 3 we will be telling based on the situation. Again he's telling based on the situation. So there is a it's not 50-50%, like 20% chance that exam will happen on May 31, 80% chance it can be pushed away to maybe 3 weeks or 1 month. That's what I feel personally. Okay, it's just a personal feel, so don't take it as an official thing, but this is what happened today. You can watch that video. Just if you want to watch the whole video, you can watch. Ideally you should watch all the videos from DD News and Rajya Sabha TV. I do that, so that's where I get updates. So 24, 23, 25, 2 minutes, sit and watch. It's in Hindi. Okay, that's one problem. If you have problem with that, then I don't know, but it's in Hindi. So he's telling the same thing. Okay, it has to be postponed ideally, like we expect, but if situation is good, it will continue on the same day. Okay, so if it is continuing on the same day, May 31, you have only 44 days left. Today is April 17th. So timetable I have given you 66 day is editable. Take it and change it according to your needs. Okay, if it get postponed again 66 days you will get, else change it to 44 days and do it, adjust some timings of how you need to do. I'll make more videos soon regarding that. Test series, I told you the results, how we got it. Again for students who don't know or who just knew about Vaishya's recently, this is the offer price now. 63 test, 150 charts and 50 snippet cards. I showed you samples of everything of this in multiple videos. You will get 100% coverage and you will not regret enrolling to that. That is the only guarantee I can give you. If anybody comes and asks me like whether I'll clear prelims by doing your test, I cannot guarantee that. I can guarantee you that you will be on par with the student who has taken coaching from any institute in this country. Okay, you will be able to solve the same number of questions as him or more than him. It's not less than him. Okay, that is a guarantee which I can give you, because UPSC 100 questions they make, you have to get 55 to 60 right. Out of that, 2018 we could give you 30 questions solvable. Last year we gave you around 50 questions solvable. This year we have made it even much more bigger, so we expect the count to remain at least 50 or more. So it will help you. That's a guarantee I can give you. Subject wise, if you need to do, okay, 2020 students I'm telling. Revision chart, snippet card, this is the package. Spectrum, lot of queries every day I get. You can buy this Spectrum. This includes the full thing. Everything is included. You don't have to pay any extra money for this. This is the April offer. Okay. Any customized purchase you need. Okay. Anything you need, like only I need 2 hours Sharma test. You buy only 2 hours Sharma test. 200 rupee per test. This combo we put it newly because older current affairs students started understanding the importance, because I started analyzing more and more previous year paper. Students understood that older current affair is a must do because questions are coming from older current affair. So they started buying more, so I reduced the price. This is the subject wise package. 2021 test series will be launched after May 15th. I'm working on the plan. It will be much more bigger than 2020. It will cover everything, revision chart, snippet card, everything. Mains test series will not be announced now, it will be later. And 2020 mains batch also after prelims. Okay, there is no other update on that. But 2021 students, how to begin, what to do, what are the books to do, these are questions they get nowadays. A video will be uploaded this week itself, the first ever video for 2021, okay, guidance video, that will come out this week. So that is an update for 2021 batch. Any queries you have other than what I explained, please feel free to ask either in email, WhatsApp or YouTube or everywhere. You can reach me. Okay, 24/7 I will be there to reply. But if it's again dumb questions like I told, okay, the drama which some people do, you may not get the response. So please don't feel bad. I am telling you upfront. Ask sensible questions. I will help you 24/7. Okay. So prelims is nearing. 44 days to prelims as of now. Please complete your studies seriously. If you take it lightly these 2-3 months, you will regret it. So all the best for UPSC 2020. I'll come up with any more updates which happens in the news. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay indoor and stay safe.